Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix like button on Facebook page. It's very easy to do it and I will show you in just small steps. Now go to your Facebook here, now go to your on the Facebook page ID, right? And we have to go to one of our Facebook page. And once we here, you will see the three dots which is on the right side. Just click on that and here you will get a lot of options. So here you can see add action button. Just click on that and it will load. It will just take a few seconds of your time to load here. And here you can see that we can edit this button. So just click on edit button, right? And here you will get this option of like. So just search for it. If you're not able to find a like button here, that's fine, but it should be in a message section, right? So make sure it is a tick on the right side of the message icon and just click on save. And once you click on save, just wait for it because it's saving it. And here you have to just go back, and here you will find an option of like, because let me show you. If I just click on the three dots here and click on view as, you can see that I've got the like feature or the like button on my page. So this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.